Trevena stock. Trevena stock surged over 50% in the after hours of 7th August 2020. So, is Trevena stock a buy? Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. Of course, you can blindly buy a stock of a company without knowing what the company does. So then you can wonder why the stock is falling or jumping or surging or anything. But I don't do that. So first of all, I check the company, the Trevena stock. So here are few quick facts. So the headquarters is in Pennsylvania, Chesterbrook, and then was founded in 2007, so it's like 13 years ago. It is a biopharmaceutical company developing medicines for a special disorder in the neural system, central nervous system disorder. So it's very niche. And it has, according to LinkedIn, between 50 and 200 employees. Alright, so let's check the Trevena stock performance real quick. As of 7th August 2020, the stock price is at $2.38. The market capitalization is $255 million US, which means it is a micro cap, not a small cap. Or not even a small cap, however you want to call it. And 1 month ago, the stock price was $1.60. 1 year ago, it was like 93 cents. So if you look only at the period before this whole world crisis began, so from 5th August 2019 until, let's say until January 2020. So that was the time before this world crisis, roughly. So during that period, the stock price was not changing much. It started to change when this whole world crisis began. Alright, let's look a little bit further into the past, like 5 years ago. The stock price was $10.35. Here you can see right in front of your eyes the steady decline of the stock, the Trevena stock. Alright, any questions? If you have any questions, feedback, comments, just leave it in the video description below. Next, let's check the annual report from them. The annual report has like 129 pages, as you can see here. So it's quite something. It took me a while to find this information. So just smash the like button for me. So as you can see here, in 2019, like 1 year ago, they made a loss of about $25 million US. 2 years ago, they made a loss of about $31 million US. Let's have a quick look at the earnings report. So let's scroll it through a little bit. It has also 113 pages. Oh yeah, here it is. So it is for the first quarter 2020, which means the first 3 months of this year, January, February, March. They net loss, let's check. They made a loss of about $6 million US.